Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on the device within which your account is logged in. After opening it up, you will be taken into the home page right away. Now, if you wish to log out from this device, on the application, simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, click on Settings, and now scroll all the way down and you will see the Sign Out button. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on Sign Out in order to confirm. This will now log you out from the Bluesky application right away. In order to log back in, you can simply tap on the Sign In button, and then choose your previous account or use another account by tapping on Other Account. If you wish to delete your saved login information, you will need to clear the application data. Long press on the Bluesky app and click on the Info button at the top. From here, click on Force Stop at the bottom right corner first in order to stop the application. Once the application is stopped, you can scroll down and tap on Storage, and then tap on Clear Data in order to clear all of your user data. Once you do this, all of your accounts that are saved within the Bluesky app will be removed as well. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.